Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is Ezinne here. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you can see, my hair is in a terrible state and I'm going to be washing my hair. I have had the longest week, guys. We'll save that for later. But in today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to a new brand. Guess what? It's a Nigerian brand. You guys know how excited I get when I have to work with Nigerian brands. I mean, they have their hassles, but I'm a patriot. Before we get to it, you know what's next. Unbox it. So I'll just go right ahead and unbox the package and we'll see what we have in there and we'll know what we're working with, what styles we'll be creating, and everything else in between. The name of the brand is Forever Yasaph Cosmetics, and Yasaph is the Hebrew word for increase. So I'm going to be really upset if I publish this video and our community doesn't increase exponentially. So every item they sent me came in this white craft box. So I'm just going to open it up and see what's in there. So there's a thank you card that spots the brand's logo and website up front, as well as an affirmation note and a thank you note on the reverse. Also, there's an actual affirmation sticker. This would probably go on my content notes or something, just stick it somewhere I can bump into it on a daily basis. Guys, this brand already strikes me as one that is big on positive affirmations, mantras, and all that good stuff. Anyways, here is an instructional stepwise breakdown on the direction of usage for each of the products. Step 1, shampoo, step 2, condition or deep condition, depending on your hair's needs. There's a satin lined Ankara print bonnet with a print head wrap to go with it. There's also a reversible satin bonnet, so you can turn this inside out and it wouldn't affect the functionality. More like getting two bonnets for the price of one. Fair deal if you ask me. There's a hooded steam cap that I cannot wait to try. It does have a control switch, so we'll see how that works when I put it to use. I've never used one before, so this should be fun. And now to the Forever Yasaph products proper. First is the Forever Yasaph Moisturizing Natural Hair Wash, aka shampoo. I actually love the minimalist and clean design going on here. The fonts are so legible. Then there's the hair growth and scalp oil. My scalp is sensitive to a lot of oils, but I'm going to give this a try and see how that goes. There's a leave-in conditioner, a rinse out conditioner, hair mist, a deep conditioner, and finally some whipped shea butter. So I started out applying the moisturizing hair wash onto my scalp and I totally forgot to put my hair in sections. I went on to section the rest of my hair before continuing with the shampooing process. The hair wash lathers impressively well, so I was careful to not apply too much, especially seeing as it has a very watery consistency, so I don't end up wasting it. Massaged it thoroughly onto my scalp and repeated the procedure all around the remaining sections. After application, I grabbed my OCTOPUS Detangling Brush and gently scrubbed my scalp to lift any flakes or deep-seated dirt. This step is quite important to me because I tend to experience flaking on my scalp, although it has gotten better over time, but I'm still not taking chances. Right, I rinsed off the shampoo, and if Pillow Soft could be personified, guys, it would be my hair at this point. I kid you not. I applied the Forever Yourself Deep Hair Conditioner. It's a creamy consistency and glided through my hair with great ease. Also did that in sections, then used the white tooth comb to run through each section. This process of combing through the sections allows for a more even distribution of the product along the hair shaft. So I took out the sectioning clips because baby, this deep conditioning process is about to be litty. Randomly decided to first cover my hair with a plastic bag before putting on the steam cap because Ezinne and Maddie is not about to spend the rest of the day washing and cleaning the steam cap. No boo boo. Steam caps on, plugged in and switched on. So I'm going to be here for the next 10 minutes, thereabouts. So I'm all done, and now that we've gotten shampooing, conditioning and rinsing over with, hydration is on 100, and we're just going to layer the strands with some leave-in conditioner and seal that in with the hair and scalp oil that was included in my package. So I thoroughly detangled and threaded the entire hair as I moisturized each section, just so it's nice and stretched for a low manipulation style. Took out the threads the morning after, and just by the way my hair looks, you can tell that the moisture from those products didn't go nowhere. Like they stayed in, sis. Look at that bounce. And I haven't even started yet. Wow. I went on to create some chunky twists. Didn't want anything overtly manipulative as I'm due a protective style, so I'll probably be getting those in a few days. So this part is self-explanatory, and I'll just give you guys a summary of my experience with using these products. So overall, I used 4 out of the 7 products they sent me, starting from the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and the hair oil in that particular order. The products all smelled great, nothing pungent or overpowering, and I'm attributing it to the use of more natural than chemical ingredients. This is a wild guess, please don't quote me. I honestly do not have a favorite because each of these products came with their A game on lock, and I must say that I was equally impressed by all 4 of them. Now about the packaging, the simple, clean, minimalist design stole my heart, literally. Also loved how legible the product descriptions are on each product. Fonts are quite legible, and my myopic eyes were so grateful. Oh, did I mention that these items are tamper and spill proof? So even if you're ordering out of state, you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Going to float their website and Instagram handle on the screen. I'll also put them in the video description as well for easier reference. And I'll do well to update you when I try the other products and probably put up an actual products review video. So you guys let me know if you'd like me to do that. So that'll be all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.